The 2024 Lake Belton Yacht Club Commodore cruise in the Bahamas was off the chain. Faux shizzle! We chartered 3-baller catamarans and set sail from Marsh Harbour, with the crystal clear waters of the Caribbean laid out in front of us like a smooth Snoop Dogg track. Marsh Harbour, baby! This town is the real deal, located on the stunning island of Great Abaco in the Bahamas. It's the heart of the islands, where the vibes are always good and the party never stops. You gotta check out the harbor, man. It's like a rainbow of colorful buildings and boats straight out of a dream. The community here is lit, with Bahamians and expats living it up together. You'll find everything you need, from dope restaurants to cool shops and killer accommodations. And if you're into boating or fishing, Marsh Harbour is your paradise, with marinas and charters ready to take you on epic adventures.
So are we waiting for any minute? We're just gonna go.
We're just going.
Oh!
They're behind us.
I'ma stack that paper, watch it multiply. From the east to the west, yeah, they know I'm fly. I be keeping it real, never switching lanes. Doing big things, big swings, keep your head in the game. Let's have a toast to success. Over time, come to expect nothing less. Doing big things, no time for small talk. No front, no bluff, see me walk the walk. If you're doing it small, you got to go. Oh, you ain't heard. You ain't heard. Oh, you don't know. If you're doing it small, you got to go. Oh, you ain't heard. Oh, you don't know. We're doing big things, big swings, cashing them checks, dropping all them G's. Yeah, we're doing big things, big swings, rolling on dubs, but we stay low key.
Our first stop was Hope Town, a little village straight out of a postcard with colorful clapboard houses and a historic lighthouse. We kicked back and enjoyed dinner at Hope Town Inn and Marina. The next morning we got hit with a little rainstorm, but that ain't no thing.
Are those the money takers?
Yeah.
How'd you think?
Hope Town, baby! This village on Elbow Key in the Abaco Islands is straight up stunning, with its pastel houses, chill beaches, and a community that's all about that laid-back island life. But let me tell you about the real star of the show, the Elbow Reef Lighthouse. This bad boy, standing tall at 89 feet, is one of the last kerosene-powered lighthouses still doing its thing in the world. Built in 1863, it's been keeping ships safe from the treacherous waters of the Abaco Islands for over a century. And you best believe the views from the top are next level. You gotta see it to believe it, man. And when you're not checking out the lighthouse, Hope Town's got you covered with all kinds of activities. From snorkeling and diving to fishing and exploring the cute streets filled with shops and eateries, there's something for everyone. This place is all about that good vibes and island relaxation, making it the perfect spot for a chill getaway in the Bahamas. So if you're looking for a slice of paradise with a side of history and charm, Hope Town and its kerosene-powered lighthouse are where it's at. Don't miss out on this gem, my friends.
A strange little city, an evening so quiet, but something is growing. I heard the signs of life, those signs of life. Oh, the light, it is changing on every river and road. Oh, the light, it is changing, and it is time to let go. Step out on your own. A strange little takes over your skin. You're thrown in the water. Well, now's your time to swim. Your time to swim.
Little Harbour, baby! This hidden gem on Great Abaco in the Bahamas is the ultimate chill spot with its peaceful vibes, stunning scenery, and tight-knit artist community. And let me tell you about the real MVP of Little Harbour Pete's Pub. This beachfront joint is where it's at, serving up the freshest seafood, killer rum drinks, and all the good vibes you could ask for. Not to mention, the place is dripping with local art, including the sick bronze sculptures by Randolph Johnston. It's a feast for the eyes and the taste buds, faux shizzle. At Pete's Pub, you can kick back, soak up the ocean views, and vibe out to the laid-back tunes. Plus, you can hit up the beach or take a stroll on the nature trails nearby. It's all about that relaxed island life where the only thing on your agenda is enjoying the beauty of Little Harbour. So, if you're looking for a taste of paradise with a side of art and good times, Little Harbour and Pete's Pub are where it's at. Don't sleep on this hidden gem in the Bahamas, my friends.
You gonna film the shenanigans?
I'm gonna try.
Yeah, he's gonna wish that Jolly Roger that Booger made so much.
On day 3, Tom pulled a prank on Commodore Mike by hoisting up a Jolly Roger flag on Indy Vortex. Funny enough, Mike may have had a late night and didn't have it in him to take it down. It was a hilarious sight that made it easy to spot Indy Vortex as the week went on.
No, I didn't. I saw you, but no other time. If he was on this boat, he was doing something that wasn't good. Oh my gosh. That jerk. Yeah.
Pelican Cay and Sea Park, baby! This marine reserve off the coast of Marsh Harbour in the Abaco Islands is where the real magic happens. Picture this: pristine waters, colorful coral reefs, and a whole lot of marine life just waiting to be explored. This place is a paradise for all you snorkeling and diving fanatics out there. Dive into those crystal clear waters and discover a world of vibrant fish, coral gardens, and underwater wonders that'll blow your mind. From seagrass beds to sandy bottoms, Pelican Cay and Sea Park is a playground for marine species of all shapes and sizes. But it's not just about the diving, man. This park is also the perfect spot for chilling out, soaking up the sun, and enjoying a picnic on the beach. The beauty of the Keys and the turquoise waters will have you feeling like you're in paradise, no doubt. And here's the real deal. Pelican Cay and Sea Park is all about conservation and sustainability. It's a sanctuary for marine life and a place where you can connect with nature while supporting efforts to protect the environment. So come on down, experience the beauty of the Bahamas, and make a difference while you're at it. Pelican Cay and Sea Park, where the vibes are good and the ocean is calling your name.
I'm so unstable, baby, I'm trouble. You can't control me. My love is unholy. Don't waste your tears here, 'cause you'll end up alone. You'll never save me. Won't be your baby. You'll never save me.
Fisher Tom.
Just saying, bring that jib in a little bit. I want to try.
We're going to bring the jib.
Right here, right now. Feet on the ground, keep on running. Ready right now, it's all or nothing. Right here.
Tahiti Beach on Elbow Key, baby. This slice of paradise in the Abaco Islands is where the real chill vibes are at. We're talking powdery white sand, crystal clear turquoise waters, and a laid-back atmosphere that's perfect for kicking back and relaxing. To get to Tahiti Beach, you can stroll along the shoreline, cruise in on a boat, or roll up on a bike. No roads needed for this hidden gem. Once you're there, you can kick it under the swaying coconut palms, dip your toes in the calm waters, or just take in the stunning views of the Keys and mangroves around you. It's like something straight out of a dream, man. But here's the real deal. Tahiti Beach has a trick up its sleeve. During low tide, a sandbar emerges, creating a natural pathway that leads you right into the sea. It's the perfect spot for shell collecting, exploring, or just soaking in the beauty of the ocean and the islands beyond.
It's all or nothing. Right here, right now. Feet on the ground, keep on running. Ready right now, it's all or nothing.
We motored up to whatever that
what's it called? Mad Love Key with so you go to Marsh Harbour to get to from Marsh to Hope, you moving around that rock. So we motored to that rock.
Yo, let me tell you about Great Guana Key in the Abaco Islands of the Bahamas, baby. This island is straight fire with its jaw-dropping beaches, lit coral reefs, and the chillest community you'll ever meet. It's like a slice of paradise just waiting for you to vibe out and unwind. Grabber's Bar is where it's at, baby. This beachfront gym is all about those good vibes, delicious drinks, and chill island living that'll have you feeling like a boss. Roll through the main settlement of Guana Key Village and you'll be living the good life, homie. From dope restaurants to cool bars and shops, this place is all about those laid-back island vibes. Colorful houses, friendly locals, and a community spirit that's off the charts. It's all love on Great Guana Key. And let's talk about those beaches, man. Guana Beach is on another level with its silky white sand, crystal clear waters, and epic snorkeling spots. Dive into the vibrant coral reefs, reel in some fish, or just kick it back and soak up the sun. Great Guana Key has got it all, from beach bumming to underwater adventures. It's all about that island life, baby. Nipper's Beach Bar and Grill. This place is straight fire, baby. Not only do they bring the vibes with their legendary parties and tasty drinks, but they also know how to set the scene with their prime beachfront location and chill pool area. Picture this. You're posted up on the powdery white sand, soaking in those crystal clear waters and just vibing out to the island beats at Nippers. It's all about those beachside vibes, taking a dip or catching some rays. This place is a whole mood. Full shizzle.
Trying to go out and find somebody or Commodore, we're stuck.
We're on an island. Which island? I don't know.
There you go.
Blue water and sand everywhere.
Well, that's actually one thing that I have been very impressed with is everybody knows where they are. So, like it's hard here.
Jonathan keeps us in line.
And let's not forget about the pool area at Nippers. It's like an oasis in the middle of paradise, surrounded by palm trees, lounge chairs, and good vibes all around. Whether you're cooling off in the water, chilling with your crew, or just living your best island life, the pool at Nippers has got you covered.
boat, right?
Yeah. You can tell by the Jolly Roger flag.
His old pirate flag.
Later, we explored a small island, swam with fish, and found sand dollars before heading to Green Turtle Cay for some shopping and grub. No name Cay in the Bahamas, baby. This island may not have an official name, but it's known for being a hidden paradise that's straight up magical. Now, let's talk about the stars of the show, the wild pigs of No Name Cay. These friendly and playful critters are the real MVPs, roaming the island with style and charisma, ready to charm visitors with their adorable antics. Like a party with pigs, man, a vibe you won't find anywhere else. And when you're not hanging out with the pigs, you can kick back on the powdery white sand, dip into the turquoise waters, and soak up all that natural beauty that No Name Cay has to offer. This place is all about those untouched vibes, perfect for nature lovers, photographers, and anyone looking to escape the everyday grind. But it's not just about the pigs and the beach, nah. It's about the whole vibe of No Name Cay. From the bird watching to the serene surroundings, this hidden gem is a spot where you can truly connect with nature and find your inner peace in the Bahamas.
I got a little money and my daddy's car. Pick you up a 7 by the open saw. We can meet the gang and fill the whiskey jar. And we'll have a party right here. Yeah, we'll have a party right here. I said we're gonna have a party right here.
Oh, there's ladies on deck. There's ladies on deck. Consider yourselves lucky, Commodores.
Let's get some sun outside, let's have some fun. Ain't nothing
Green Turtle Cay in the Bahamas, baby. This island is straight up paradise with its colonial vibes, stunning beaches, and lit marine scene. It's the kind of place where you can kick back, chillax, and soak in all that island goodness. Now, let's talk about Sundowners, the beachfront hotspot on Green Turtle Cay that's all about those good vibes, delicious eats, and sunset views that'll have you feeling like a boss. This place is the spot to catch the sunset in style, sip on some killer cocktails, munch on Bahamian flavors, and vibe out to live music that's straight fire. Picture this, you're posted up at Sundowners, drink in hand, watching the sun go down in a blaze of orange and pink over the ocean. It's the kind of moment that makes you feel alive, free, and connected to the beauty of the world around you. Sundowners is all about those chill island vibes that make you feel right at home in paradise.
And I got nothing but time. The only thought on my mind is, hey, let's get some sun outside. Let's have some fun. Ain't nothing like them summer sounds in this quiet town on the river bend, river bend. I feel the breeze in the air, blowing around without a care. Couldn't ask for a better day. Let's get some sun outside, let's have some fun. Ain't nothing like them summer sounds in this quiet town on the river bend. Seeing friends just like it was. Nothing's changed because we all love them same summer sounds in this quiet town on the river bend, river bend. River bend, river bend. River bend, river bend.
Take back your weather and bring me a sky with a day so bright I can't open my eyes. And days like this is where we found our love. So please, Mr. Weatherman, bring us the sun.
Alright, listen up, y'all. Let me drop some knowledge about Treasure Cay, baby. This beach is no joke. We're talking powdery white sand, crystal clear turquoise waters, in a setting so picturesque, it'll have you feeling like you're living in a dream. Treasure Cay Beach ain't just any beach, nah. It's been rated among the top 10 beaches in the world for a reason. This place is straight up paradise with over 3 miles of prime beachfront real estate. Perfect for kicking back, catching some rays, and soaking in those island vibes like a boss. We straight up celebrated my man Westmund's 70th birthday in style, for real. It was a day full of love, laughter, and celebration. A birthday bash to remember, you dig?
Jump in the water like the summers of
Treasure Cay Beach is all about that peaceful, tranquil setting that'll have you feeling like you found your own slice of paradise in the Bahamas. So, if you're looking to experience a beach that's been rated among the best in the world, Treasure Cay Beach is where it's at. But it's not just about the beach, it's about the vibe, the ambiance, and the epic sunsets that light up the sky in a blaze of colors.
Take back your weather and bring me the skies with a day so bright I can't open my eyes. And days like this is where we found our love.
Yo, what up, Commodore Mike? We just gotta give you a massive shout out for putting together the Lake Belton Yacht Club's 2024 Commodore cruise in the Abaco, Bahamas. That trip was straight up fire, man. From the moment we set sail to the moment we touched back down, everything was on point. The vibes, the views, and the whole experience was off the chain. You really outdid yourself with this one, my man. We've got to give you mad props for your hustle and dedication in making this cruise happen. Your passion for sailing and bringing people together is something to be admired. It's clear that you put your heart and soul into this, and it definitely paid off. Thanks a million, Commodore Mike, for creating such an epic adventure for all of us. The memories we made on that cruise will be forever etched in our minds. Our final day had us sailing back to Marsh Harbour, where we had to say goodbye to our catamarans in the beauty of the Bahamian Islands. The 2024 Lake Belton Yacht Club Commodore cruise was lit with memories for days and friendships that'll last a lifetime. Peace out, Bahamas. Until next time.